In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an indicator in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting on your trading journey, managing your charts effectively is crucial. Indicators are essential tools used for analyzing market trends and making informed decisions, but sometimes your chart can get a bit too cluttered. Knowing how to remove unnecessary indicators is a skill every trader should have. In this guide, we'll walk through the simple process of removing an indicator to help keep your charts clean and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most. First off, let's start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Taking a moment to examine your chart layout is always a good idea. This step ensures you have a clear view of everything you're working with, making the process smoother. Tradingview is known for its user-friendly interface, and you'll appreciate how intuitive it is to navigate. Once your chart is open and you're ready to go, you'll want to locate the specific indicator you wish to remove. Maybe it's one that you find you're not using anymore, or perhaps it's just not serving its original purpose in your current analysis. Whatever the reason, it's crucial to keep your workspace tidy and tailored to your needs. As you move your cursor around the screen, focus on the indicator you'd like to eliminate. Gently hover over that indicator. You'll notice that Tradingview is quite accommodating, and when you hover over the indicator, the controls related to it become visible. Here, we're aiming to keep your chart as simplified or as complex as you need. Now, as part of these controls, you should see a little trash icon appear. This icon is your tool for decluttering, and it represents the option to remove unnecessary elements from your workspace. A quick tip: try to ensure that you're hovering directly on the indicator line or the area where the indicator is working. This ensures the right controls pop up and minimizes confusion. Once the trash icon is visible, go ahead and click on it. This is the action that will remove the indicator from your chart immediately. It may seem like a small gesture, but by doing so, you are actively managing your workspace, allowing yourself better clarity and focus. Remember, while this process is entirely reversible, in case you remove something by mistake, it's satisfying to know you've got complete control over your setup. And there it is. Your chart is now one step closer to being a clear and concise tool for effective analysis and decision-making. Congratulations! You've successfully removed an indicator from your Tradingview chart. By keeping your charts tidy, you're not only making your analyses more efficient, but also enhancing your ability to react to market changes swiftly. Keep trading smart, and remember, simplicity often leads to clarity. Thanks for watching,